Welcome to the latest OpenClaw update, version 202.6.3.8. We're excited to bring you a plethora of new features and fixes that will take your OpenClaw experience to the next level. In this update, we focused on enhancing backup and restore capabilities, improving talk mode, and expanding web search features. With the addition of OpenClaw Backup Create and OpenClaw Backup Verify commands, you'll have more control over your local state archives. We've also introduced a configurable silence timeout in talk mode, allowing you to fine-tune your conversation experience. And with the integration of Brave's LLM context endpoint, you'll enjoy more accurate and relevant search results. But that's not all. We've also made significant updates to macOS onboarding, remote gateway token fields, and various fixes for issues that were affecting your experience. So let's dive in and explore all the exciting changes and improvements in OpenClaw v2026.3.8. One of the most significant updates in this release is the introduction of OpenClaw Backup Create and OpenClaw Backup Verify commands. These new features allow you to create and verify local state archives, giving you more control over your backup and restore process. With the only configure and no include workspace options, you can customize your backup to include only the configuration files or exclude the workspace, respectively. Additionally, the OpenClaw Backup Verify command ensures the integrity of your backup archives, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind. This update is a game changer for users who want to ensure their data is safe and easily recoverable. Talk mode just got a whole lot better. With the introduction of a configurable silence timeout, you can now fine-tune your conversation experience to suit your needs. The new write single quote talk.silence timeout, M's write single quote config option, allows you to set a custom silence timeout, giving you more control over when the conversation is sent. This update is perfect for users who want to have more nuanced conversations with their OpenClaw assistant. We're excited to announce the integration of Brave's LLM context endpoint into OpenClaw's web search feature. This update brings more accurate and relevant search results, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. With the new write single quote tools .web.search.br av.mode write single quote config option, you can opt in to use Brave's LLM context endpoint, which returns extracted grounding snippets with source metadata. This update is a significant improvement to OpenClaw's web search capabilities, making it a more powerful tool for users. In addition to the new features and updates, we've also fixed a total of 46 issues in this release. Some notable fixes include updates to macOS app/chat UI, Android Play distribution, and Telegram DM routing. We've also resolved issues with config/runtime snapshots, gateway/control UI, and facial plugin onboarding. These fixes ensure a smoother and more stable experience for users, and we're committed to continuously improving OpenClaw to meet your needs. Some specific fixes include resolving bundled dashboard assets through sim-linked global wrappers, keeping secrets runtime resolved config and auth profile snapshots intact after config writes, and preferring bundled channel plugins over duplicate NPM installed copies during onboarding. That's a wrap for OpenClaw v2026.3.8. We're thrilled to bring you these exciting updates and fixes, and we hope you're as excited as we are to try them out. To recap, some of the top takeaways from this release include enhanced backup and restore features, improved talk mode, and enhanced web search capabilities. Be sure to check out the full release notes and download the latest version from our GitHub repository. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more OpenClaw updates.